Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to remove door panel on Volkswagen Lupo and Seat Arosa in 4 simple steps. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. You see that driver's door panel, it looks very bad and we have to replace it. So first you have to remove the handle cap using a trim tool or a flat blade screwdriver. So insert the screwdriver through that small hole where the red arrow is pointing and pry the handle cap out. This is the handle cap. Then, if you can see, there's 2 screws inside that handle. So you have to remove those 2 screws using a Phillips screwdriver. Then remove the panel from the clips, just pry it out. Then be careful to remove those cables and connectors from the door. So if you can see, you have to remove that cable from the handle. And then disconnect the security LED light wire. Just have to squeeze that tabs. Then you have to disconnect all 3 connectors from the window buttons. You just have to press on that tab to remove it. The other one is the same. Press and remove. Then you have to just pull it out. And that's it. If you have any suggestions about new tutorials, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.